Kindergarten friends. So today what we're going to be talking about is we're going to be talking about the new letters we've been learning in our new poem. That's the letter B, O, and W. So Ms. Hogan's going to share her screen and we're just going to go over some slides together. All right, friends. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about some new letters. All right. So yesterday we talked about the letters B, O, and W. And today we're going to be talking about how we write these letters. First, let's review our poem. Would you ever? We'll read it together. Would you ever wrestle a bear after he ate a juicy green pear? Would you ever play a game of Go Fish with a sad, lonely octopus, if that was her wish? Would you ever jump into water like ice if the bear and the octopus said it was nice? Would you ever? What do you say? Would that be a super fun day? Okay, so that's the poem. Would you ever? And we've been talking about the letters B as in bear, O as in octopus, and W as in waves. Okay, so those are the letters, and we see where they are in our poem. Would, bear, octopus. Okay? So now we're going to talk about how to write these letters. Now, take a look at the uppercase B. This is made up of one straight line and two curved lines. One straight line and two curved lines. So let's take a look at how to write these letters. Uppercase B, you're going to start at the top line where the mouse's ears are. Come straight down and then curve, curve. Okay, start at the top line, come straight down, curve around and around. And now this letter stays in between the three lines. It doesn't come past the foot line. It doesn't go above the ear line. It stays in between, okay? So again, it's a straight line down, back up, curve, curve. It almost looks like the number 8, but a little different. Okay, then we're going to talk about the lowercase b, which is a straight line and a curved line. Now the lowercase b looks a lot like a lowercase d. It's just facing a different direction. Okay, so for the lowercase b, you're going to start at the ear line up at the top, come straight down, and curve. Only one curve in lowercase b. Okay, straight down, curve around, just like that. So that's how you do a lowercase b and an uppercase B. Now, Miss Hogan's doesn't look perfect because I have to write it with my finger. But you're going to hold your pencil, hold it real steady, trace those letters, and then write it on your own. That's what you'll do on Canvas. Okay, so we've got B. Let's move on to the next letter. O. Now, O says as in octopus. And O is one of the easier letters we get to write in kindergarten. O is just one curved line, both uppercase and lowercase. So here we have the uppercase. It starts up at the ear line, at the top line where the mouse's ear is, and comes all the way down to the foot line. It's just curve around. Just curve like a circle. Okay, come down. We're gotta make sure they touch the foot line and the ear line. Okay, so that's the uppercase O. Pretty simple. The lowercase o is almost the exact same letter, just smaller. This one stays in between, right down here, stays in between the belly and the foot line, in between the belly and the foot line. Just like that. Okay, friends? So that's the uppercase O and lowercase o. And again, Miss Hogan's isn't perfect because I'm writing with my finger on my computer screen, but you guys are going to write with a pencil and you're going to hold it steady and you're going to do your best work on Canvas. Okay, so that's the uppercase and lowercase o. Last, we've got uppercase and lowercase w, as in wave. Okay, now the uppercase and lowercase w are pretty similar letters. They're made up of straight lines, no curved lines here. Okay, so for the uppercase W, you're going to start at the top line, come down, up, down, up. Okay, that's a little messy. I'll try that again. Start at the top line, come down, all the way back up, all the way back down, all the way back up. Now, Miss Hogan doesn't pick up her finger at all. So when you're doing it, you're not going to pick up your pencil. It's just one motion. You just move your pencil down, up, and then you've got it. So you start at the top line, move down, up, okay? And you'll continue practicing all the way down the lines. Make sure they touch the top, bottom, top, okay? And then for a lowercase w, it's the same thing, just smaller. Now it's a little tricky to do it with my finger, but I'll do my best. So here you're gonna start at the belly line, and you'll come down, up, just like you did with the uppercase. You're just starting at the belly line, going down to the foot line, back up to the belly, down to the foot, back up to the belly. Then you'll continue that down for the rest of the page. So that's an uppercase and lowercase W. W says wave. All right? Okay, and so here are all of the letters we've been learning. Just to review them. A says alligator. T says turn. P says parrot. N says newt. I says iguana. C says cat. H says house. V says vulture. G says goose. L says lion. M says mountain. R says rabbit. S says snake. F says flamingo. D says dog. So on Canvas, friends, you're going to do some work with your poem. You're going to put a box around the first word in every line and a box around the last word in every line. Then you'll count the number of words in the line. And then you're going to do a letter search in your poem. And then you will also be practicing your handwriting as well. So you got a lot to do on Canvas today. So go ahead and get started. And I can't wait to see your work. Good job, friends.